San Antonio apartment slaying. Woman sentenced after murder charge reduced in fatal shooting case.
Tonight's next crime story comes from San Antonio, Texas, where Julie Marie Lopez has been sentenced to 15 years in prison after pleading no contest to aggravated robbery in connection with the fatal shooting of Isaiah Guevara, 20. Lopez was originally charged with murder and aggravated robbery after Guevara was found shot multiple times inside his medical center apartment on October 26, 2024. In July 2026, the murder charge was waived as part of the plea, and Lopez received credit for 499 days already served. The shooting happened around 4 a.m. at the Villas of Oak Crest apartment complex.
Police found Guevara shot multiple times. Witnesses reportedly heard gunshots and saw two men fleeing the apartment, while a woman yelled after them. Doorbell camera footage captured men leaving the scene. That kind of evidence creates a complicated courtroom problem. Who entered the apartment? Who had the weapon? Who fired? Who planned the robbery? Who was present but did not shoot? And what can prosecutors prove beyond a reasonable doubt?
Lopez's case ended with a no-contest plea to aggravated robbery, not a murder conviction. That does not mean the death was not real. It means the legal outcome changed.
Her co-defendant, Felix Brandon Garcia, was arrested in March 2025, but his murder charge was dismissed because of insufficient evidence. That tells us prosecutors may have had difficulty proving exactly who was responsible for the fatal shots. In robbery-related homicides, the state often has to show not only that a crime happened, but each person's role in it. Why would prosecutors reduce a murder charge?
Because trials require proof beyond a reasonable doubt. If the evidence clearly proves robbery, but not who committed murder, a plea may secure prison time while avoiding the risk of acquittal.
How it was solved so far. First, police responded to the apartment shooting. Second, Guevara was found shot multiple times. Third, witnesses described people fleeing. Fourth, doorbell footage became part of the investigation. Fifth, Lopez and Garcia were charged. Sixth, Garcia's murder charge was dismissed for insufficient evidence. Seventh, Lopez pleaded no contest to aggravated robbery and received 15 years. What to watch? 1. Whether Lopez becomes eligible for parole after serving half her sentence. 2. Whether prosecutors reveal more about the robbery motive. 3. Whether Guevara's family comments on the plea. 4. Whether any civil claims follow. 5. Whether investigators identify any other participants.
A San Antonio murder case ended in a reduced plea and a 15-year sentence. The victim, Isaiah Guevara, was shot multiple times inside his apartment, but prosecutors ultimately resolved the case through an aggravated robbery conviction, showing how evidence gaps can change the outcome of a homicide case.